Hello friends, this is Kallol Roy from Foetron Academy. I shall be uploading series of videos on Microsoft Excel. I shall be uploading a unique feature through a unique video so that you can refer it in the time of your need. So let's go and see the features.
Convert function. Convert function is simply converting the units. Okay. Here I am having a original unit, say 100. Let me use this formula convert. Okay. Then I am choosing the target. Fine. Then in which unit it is? Let's say it is in meter. Now again comma, it's giving me the options in which I can convert it to. Let's say I want to convert it to foot. I'm choosing foot and closing it. You can see it is giving me a figure 328. So 100 meter equals to 328 feet.
Friends, keep watching Foetron Academy channel in YouTube. Hit like, subscribe, and I can assure you will able to learn lot of things on Microsoft technology. Thank you.